What's up, bag holders? Into the main account today. Just an FYI tip. Apparently, if you've got a little bit bigger account or you do a lot of transactions, it just takes a little while longer to get the statements because I have not seen the main account statements come through yet. But as soon as I do, I will share the thought process there, and I always get excited for them. So I'm a little bummed, but it's cool. Market was up, so no flips today. We do have some things to catch up on the spreadsheet here. If you remember, we were trying to buy Merck the other day. We did get filled. And we got it November 7th yesterday. I don't know if we, oh, it was after the video. We got 103.63 a share. So it looks like we're up, right? We are up. So we like to see. All right. Next thing, we have a trade recap for Ecolab, however you say it. Very nice, right? Very nice. This wasn't a huge gainer, but it did follow the pattern. And I'm a little bit of a chicken. So after it broke out, it might have some more legs, but I really don't care. This was just a baby trade, so no money for the for the foundation or anything like that. But just want to stay in flow while I get to the main positions, and the market hasn't had any down days, so I haven't been able to average down the flips and get out of those. So here we are. But we did make 2.88% from the 2nd to the 8th for an annualized return of 174.91%. So great trade. It was just a base hit, but we were there. We were ready, and we capitalized, right? So we'll throw this back down in the gulag here. And see what we got going on. Let's check our commodities. We'll stay in some sort of a rhythm. And we're looking to sell silver and gold. We do have a position. Yikes. We're looking to buy crypto, which we do not have any currently. So nothing doing there. Next, let's go through our positions and look to see if there's any sell orders that we need to put in. EBIX had earnings. It doesn't look like it's posted yet, but this thing got crushed today. We have the $5 put, so we may get put these shares. We'll have to wait and see how the rest of the week looks. All right, we're looking for, close to the 70 RSI. That's 60. It's the same shape as all of them. These things just ready to break out. But they could just as easily break down. That's why a lot of times I don't mind taking the quick one. We got a dividend coming up. We're only at a 61 on the RSI, so we'll let it soak a bit. I mean, we're in profits in most of these positions, but just not to the target, right? And then that's why I started doing this while having a job. Because if you miss a day, it's really not end of the world. But if you're really going to change your life doing this, you ain't going to miss no days. If you do, you're just kind of lying to yourself. And that is the worst person to lie to. This had a nice recovery day there, a little double bottom. And we'll be looking here to maybe buy it again. On a second entry, we have 111.81 for the 5 versus 112.99. So we get another good day. we could be back in business for this guy. They didn't do so good on the earnings front. But, all right. We locked in the dividend the day before the X date. 65 cents a share on PPG. Very nice. And we're about to break even. This one, it didn't hit the 30, but could have been another re-entry. We'll be looking to re-enter this one too, right? All right, Apple. 64. So that's good enough for me. I like around 65 at least. Friday, tomorrow. If we hold tomorrow, we'll get the dividend. Let's go ahead and hold it. Why not? If you put the sell order in, that's probably okay too. Let's see how much we're up in. I probably should just put the sell in. If it's a 70, it's pretty black and white. Did I already sell this? Nope. We're up 3.28% on it. And but you can see it tagged down below. So it should come all the way up to here. We'll hang on to it. Why not? It's not much of a dividend, but I love the cash flow, man. Okay. So now, this one didn't have a 30, right? I believe we're good here. Let's see if we can get into something. Flips, we're not doing any of that today. The income is kind of doing its thing. All right. I'm sure we can find something. No 30 here, right? Oh, pretty powerful move there. Look at that Nike run up. You can see where we got in, where we got out, but that thing is still cooking. But I don't feel bad about missing out on any of those. It's not a big deal to me at all. Because we done got in something else, right? There's one, JP Morgan Chase. You can see the 30 and the close above here. See, I figured we could get in something. I like to buy stock every day if I can. Just remember this, though. I'm getting cash flow every day. I'm getting paid every day. So that's the initial setup. And you can do it with $400 in an M1 account. And the way the math works out on that is if you put $4 into stock that pays a 1%, or 1% dividend, that would be $4 a year. And if it pays quarterly, you get $1, or you get a penny, right? So it puts you on the board. Let's put this order in. And that was a pretty big game changer for me, just to start seeing those cash payments come in. We'll just put it in for the 144.72. Let's see if we can get a fill on it. We did. We got filled at 144.69. It's not much. I have to do these little baby positions just till we sell some of the bigger ones, but I'm in flow. We're in profits in most of these things, and we're ready to cut them when we can. So nothing big. Our other options position, we'll go ahead and talk about that while we're here. It's Hawaiian Electric. I would kind of be curious. Must be down here. Yeah. We have a 1350 put on, so we're still in the good here. As long as it don't drop below 1350, we just cash a check. Um, and we'd like for it to shoot way up because we have a lot of shares in this one as well. So I probably need to go through here and put them in order. But hopefully we get a down day pretty soon. And we'll get after it. But of course, if the market keeps running up, we got all this stuff for sale. We got a ton of inventory, so we're good either way. And that's really where you want to be with investing in the stock market. Have your bases covered either way. You know, we're getting cash flow, whether the market goes up or down, it doesn't matter. And if you're not over leveraged, you can take a downswing on the chin. It's good for the soul. It'll toughen you up. Uh, One thing to note here too is we haven't seen the reported dividend, so maybe they do that at earnings. Um, yeah, it doesn't show when it was reported, so we'll keep it kind of short. But that's kind of what we got going on. We're just kind of waiting, and but we are buying every day. Forward momentum, press the wheel onto the universe. You know, take it by the horns, right? So we're doing it. I hope you're doing it too in your own way. You know, make up your own system, but stick to it, right? If you got a weak will, this ain't gonna work out for you. So hope you're doing well. Hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything. We'll catch you later. Peace.